Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to cover nested routes. Nested routing is a general idea of coupling segments of the URL to component hierarchy and data. Suppose we are on a home page to present multiple tabs and news messages to navigate. Then we can click those tabs, the URL in the browser will change. But instead of replacing the whole page, we only replace the content of a tab, get it replaced. Suppose we have a collection of blogs. When we click each of the blog, the blog links of a title doesn't change. Just the content of each blog is switched based on what the blog title we clicked, right? So in this case, we can use nested routes to do it. So here we are going to have our demo. The demo is we are going to have a post and a post list. The post list is going to here have a blog post which are hard-coded, have some data here, okay? And have a title, description, and post list just render as a URL. See here, render all the title, okay? And then we have a posts, okay, which we want to display all of the links here, okay? So now how can we do that? We have multiple ways because here we are trying to demo for the nested routes, right? So here in the route, we can have a route. And the thing is inside it is called nested, the second one. So now let me show you the setup, okay? Here I changed our previous demo to have like this way. Only app here, and the pages here is empty. If you want to see original previous demos code, you should go to src1, okay, you will get it. So here we are going to have two pages. The one is called the posts, okay. The other one is called the post list. Not good, not perfect name, tsx. My bad, I forgot to change this one to have a name. Rename go.tsx. TSX, okay. And what's going to happen is here RFC, and here is RFC, and here inside here we are going to have a collection of the page. What I can do is I can put this collection of page, doesn't matter, okay. So suppose here I have a const. Let me just put it here. Const post lists. List equals is an object. Object will have a first blog, okay. And the first blog gonna have a title. Title is a first blog, okay. Description. Description is a great idea. Okay. Oh, let me promote my channel. Okay. Please subscribe and like Miss XING this channel. Thank you. Second blog. Okay, and here we blog here. I'm going to have title is second blog, blog, okay. Description, and please if you have a question, you may leave a comment. Thank you. Thanks, okay. It's a two blog. I'm going to display here, okay. So here I'm going to have a h2, not a he, h2, which is a blog list, okay. Then here I'm going to have a ul. Inside ul I'm going to it's called object.entries, okay. Entries by what? This blog list dot map, okay. For this map, I'm going to get it to two things. Here, I'm going to have a li I forgot. Let me check the slide. I forgot it's array or something. Oh, it's an array. It's an array SUG, which is a key to get a title. Which is this one. I think it is this one. Let me see. Yeah, this one. The first one is a key. This one, and the second one I get is structure assignment, because the second one is what? Second one is an object. For object, I get this part, which is title. Okay. Back to the syntax, which is this entry, so you are given array. Array is a key value pair. This is a key, which is the first block or second block. The value, this value is this object. Okay, and for this object, I only need a title. That's why I do structure assignment on the title. So here I will use what thing? I will use title. Title. Oh yeah, my baby. Title like this way, and here don't forget we need to have a key. Okay, the key I'm going to use is slug. Okay, so now if I display the block list, I'm going to post list. I'm going to have a collection an order list about a title. Okay, we'll do later, but our task is in the post, this entire thing I want to display here, which kind of got nested inside the posts. Okay, then to do that we have to do two steps. First step is here, let's add a nav. Okay, nav link. Nav link, I'm going to have let's use in nav first. Okay, it doesn't matter for this one. Nav. Okay, here we'll have a nav link. Okay, then we'll have posts. Posts will display this component, posts. So here I will have two slash is posts. How about it? Okay, then that's it. Okay, then here this part I'm going to have my routes first. Inside routes I'm going to have a route. Okay, and the route here we'll have a path. Path is what? Slash posts. Okay, and then we are going to have element. Element is what? Element I'm going to display is a post. P-O-S-T, posts. This page. Okay, now next one is, because this post list is inside what? Is inside this post. Okay, so we use nested routes. Nested routes is inside this route. Okay, and I'm going to use index. Index is when I display slash posts, it's going to also render this one. It also will go to post list. Okay, the element index element is what? Element is post list. Okay. So now let's take a look at the settings. We can also have another path, another route. Route path is slash. When it's slash, I will go to element. Let's practice nav link. Okay, we'll use navigate to what? To slash posts. Okay, I think it's this one. Okay, now let's see. So go to the browser, we have posts. Suppose take a look at here. If I go to slash will go to slash posts. Here highlighted here posts, but I don't have any links here, right? So and see here, I don't have any links here, even though I don't. So here all the links about the post list is not here because we haven't collected them together. We can do another thing, which is to a path slash list. They may have errors because they don't have index. Post slash see here, a pursuit route post is not invalid. See here, so I will have posts. You still have errors. Because we don't have index. Okay, then have list. See here, it have errors. Okay, you must at least have one index here. So here let's give two index. Okay, must have at least one index, which the nested routes you want to get in. Okay, then next thing, the problem now here when I click, where are those lists? Where are those lists? Then we have to do using another component which is called outlet. I actually randomly show you. An outlet should be used in parent route element. This post is our parent element to render their child route elements. This allows nested UI to show up when child routes are rendered. If the parent matches exactly, it will render child index. If the parent route matches exactly, it will render child index route, or nothing if there's no index route. If I don't have index route, let's take a look at. Okay. Slash posts works, no, okay, works, see here, works, okay, and then I go to here, works, okay, but if I use index, it will also render. If it has a problem, this one still know nothing so far, right? Still know nothing, okay, but if I go to here, I want to display here, I want to, wait me for a second. I will say h1 posts. Okay. Then here use outlet, and this will be location for render this piece of thing. Okay. Now you can see blog list. Hey, why don't you have URL? Oh. See here, this is a post list. Not it should be this one. Okay, post list. It should be just now I use the capital. Okay, it should be lowercase, like a posts data, post data. Okay, I use post data. Just now I copy the function name. It should be post data. Okay, now take a look at it. You will see first block, second block. Okay, and when we render slash post, and because here is what? Because here. Yes, slash posts, when I render this one, this UI, which is go to slash posts, it's gonna be posts. And it will also render index, which is a default one, which is going to render post list. So when we render post list part, this part is going to be put under the outlet. See, take a look at here. If I switch the order, you will see here, this post is under this post list. This part, right? Depends on location where you put. Okay. Let me switch back. That's outlet. Let's do another test. Okay. Suppose here I have outlet, but now here I don't have any nested route. It will display nothing. See here. If I cannot find, it will display nothing. And if I find it, I'm going to just render the child and put inside our outlet. This is a nested route. Okay. Simple. First thing is I have a route inside another route. Second one, use this outlet to receive this child component JSX. Okay. Next slide is we do another one. Okay. So another one is accessing URL params for dynamic param route. Suppose here I will add a link. When I click this link, I want to show something. So here, the solution we are giving here is for this post list, because it only have a URL, right? It only have title. I want to see title and description. Okay, what you can do? What you can do is here for this LI. Okay, for this LI, we can make it to be a nav link. Oh, my bad. Link, not a nav link. Okay, link. Because we don't need to have a nav link to highlight it. We just need to a link like a amp tag to what? Link is to, right? Oh, it doesn't have import. Let me import it. Link to what? To I'm going to use some pattern, because a different UI of the title should link to different page. So how can I represent different page? So what I did is here for this one, I want to URL slash post slash this title. Okay, first blog or second blog. So that is our two. So here for our two, it's going to be slash posts. Why is slash posts? I want to be under this one, slash posts. Okay, and slash what's the this title. Once I get a title, I can get everything. And what I want to do is inside here, I'm going to add another one, route. Okay, route to be what here, path is what? Path is because this part is dynamic, right? It can be first block, it can be second block. It's dynamic. So what can I do? What can I do is here I have to get it. Okay, do I need to have this slash? I couldn't remember. Okay, then here element, I'm going to create another component. Let's call post detail. Okay, post details.tsx rfc. Post details. I want to use this one. Post details. Element is post details. Okay. I guess there's no need to have a slash. It will automatically add for us. Okay. Now let's take a look at when I use a slash post, it should go to post list. When I use a slash post slash this one, it should go to here, right? So let's take a look at it if it works. So now it has two links. When I click this one, see here, post detail page. See here. Second, you will see post detail page. And in post detail page, we have to do what? In post detail page, I have to display post detail, which is title and description, right? So here, we have to get this key, first blog or second blog, right? Because that's a key used to search for each of the posts, like here. That's key to search for this post, right? First blog and second blog, this key is used inside this URL, okay? And now, how can I get it? See here, this is a placeholder. How can I get it? We will have to another hook called the use param. Okay, see here in our slide. We have a hook called use param. Hook return an object of key value pair of a dynamic params from the current URL by matching the route path. Return an object that maps the name of URL parameters to their values of a current URL. So we can use params to get a slug. So here in the post, we can try post detail. Okay. Const slug equals, oh no, it's an object, slug, okay, equals use params. Okay. And here I just console, here I just display, okay, display slug, okay, slug. Why is slug? It's because here in my path here I use slug, so that's why here is slug. And if you use another name, you use another name. Okay, so now it's already shows here. It's already show. If I first blog, I say first blog. Okay, if I see second blog, I see second blog. So I got the key. Then you just need to do what? You just need to search for the URL. The problem is search for the title. Okay, the problem in this part is what's the? It's hard coded here. I'm going to do something fake. Okay, here I'm going to have a db.ts. Okay, export default. I'm going to use kind of like a fake database. Okay, I put it here. Everywhere I can access it. Here I'm going to import post data from DB. Okay, post data, and here I'm going to also import from here. Then I can do what? I can use post data using this key to get it right. So I can get what's the? I can get title and description. let's go to each post. Post equals post data, and it's an object. I use slug here. Okay. Const. Let's do a checking. If slug doesn't exist, I will throw new error. Okay, which is slug doesn't exist. Otherwise else. We still have this error. Slug can be string. See? No, can I do it? What can I get rid of the data? Okay, let me put it in the else. Why still have error? Oh, undefined. It can be undefined. But I already threw error. Undefined gonna be false, right? We can do is can I use empty? By default cannot. So what can I do is slug, which is equals slug is if it's false, use empty. Can I do like this way? Exists slug, otherwise empty. What's the, oh, it's const let. Okay. I just manually change it. Okay, SLUG. Okay. Element has implicit any expression cannot be used index. No index with parameter. Oh my goodness. So let's just TS ignore. Okay, ignore checking. Okay, I'm tired of it to deal with the thing. Okay, so and then I can do is ignore it. Okay, ignore it, and then I'm going to do is if post exist, I'm going to do something. If post not exist, I will throw new error. Could not find post with SLUG plus SLUG. Okay, could not find it. Okay, and otherwise const our destruction assignment title and description from this post. Okay, and then here I will give more details. Okay, post detail. This can be H3 post details. Okay, and here I will give two paragraphs. One is title TLE, and here I will give title, and one is give description, and here I will give description. Okay, then here I'm going to have now it's already have here. If in the first block I will see first block everything, if on the second block I will see second block everything. So that is the nested. Okay, we only have 2 level. You can, if you want to have 3 level, we can do it also. Okay, so here is a post detail, which is when I go to slash post, it will go to post detail by default. When I go slash post and slash is slug, which can be replaced by the real data placeholder here, it will go display post details under here. Okay, So this outlet either will become this outlet here either become this link or either become this post detail. That is a nested route. Okay, we also use prime to get the key, to get the value placeholder inside the URL. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.